How's it going, and welcome back to the Rebel Investments channel. And this video is just about I said in the previous video that I was going to be getting into mining, and I've ordered all the parts for what I'm going to start with. And I was going to order a mining frame, but I was looking on Thingiverse, and I found a mining frame, open air mining frame that I could print on my 3D printer. So that's what you see on the camera right now. As you see, I got a Anycubic i3 Mega Ultrabase, and you see that making that's what I'm doing. I'm printing out the corner brackets for it right now, and it's like the one you've seen in the thumbnail. I'll put a picture of it in the video. Yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. I'm going to be, the parts that I ordered were the Asus H110, I think, motherboard, and Intel Celeron G3900 processor. I was gonna go with the 4400, but it was a little bit more money, and I'm on a pretty tight budget here to get what I wanted to get, so I had to. But the 3900 is 2.8 megahertz. This should be fine for anything that I'll be running. And I got 4 gigabytes of I think it's G-Skill RAM. Let's see, I got right now I'm starting off with 2 cards because that's all I had the money for to buy everything to build one, is only for 2 cards. And the power supply that I'm using is the Rosewell Hive 750. It's a modular power supply, and I've got 2 RX 580 graphics cards. That's where I'm going to start. I want to start, with 2, and then I'll get some more money together, and I'll buy another one until I probably make that a 4-card rig or something. And then I don't know, I might build another one if it catches on, because I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and usually when somebody builds their first one, then there's always a second and a third. So I like the mining. People talk about mining's not profitable. Well, if it is, it is, and it isn't, I guess. Right now, with the prices down and some of the difficulties up on some of the coins, it's not profitable because the price is down. But if you're not one of them ones that's looking just strictly to mine coins and then instantly sell them, then like me, I don't plan on doing it. I plan on mining some of the coins that I already have. I plan on mining some Electroneum, and I already have probably 30,000 of them. So just different coins like that, just to have, just for the future. You never know what'll happen. In crypto, you can never tell what happened. You can take the most shittiest coin that you think's out there, and it's liable to 10 or 100x. You never know. And there's nothing that surprises me in crypto anymore. I've seen some of the, it's just wild. But so that's what I'm starting with. I've been mining on my regular computer, the one that I'm actually filming this video on, but it's just got a 750 Ti graphics card. But I've been mining some of the lower coins that's got low difficulty, some of the newer stuff. So just to have them and just to be doing something. But yeah, so that's what I was wanting to give you a look at what I was doing on my printer here. So when those finish printing, then I'll start printing some more pieces. And printing on a 3D printer, it's kind of takes a while on some parts, depending on how complicated they are. But I just want to make this short video showing what I'm doing with my kind of an update to what I was talking about in my last video with the mining. And that's about it. So until the next time, this is the Crypto Warrior, and I'm out of here.